Imagine you're working on a programming project and encounter a problem where you need to intern strings and manipulate references to them. The initial solution you come up with involves using a HashSet, mutex, and unsafe code to transmute string references to static. You believe it's sound, but you're looking for confirmation on its safety. Your rationale includes the static allocation of the HashSet to prevent reallocation of string values, protection of insertions with a mutex, and the assumption that transmuting string contents to static is safe since strings are never removed from the HashSet. Now, let's delve into a better solution for the problem at hand. By utilizing RwLock HashSet in the string leak method, we can simplify the code while maintaining safety and efficiency. The new implementation eliminates the need for unsafe code entirely and provides a more elegant way to intern strings. With the use of LazyLock for lazy initialization and RwLock for reducing contention among threads, the code becomes more robust and scalable. Additionally, the get_insert_ with method ensures that only one copy of each string is stored, promoting memory efficiency. In summary, we've explored two approaches to address the intern strings problem, with a second solution offering a cleaner and safer implementation. By leveraging RwLock, HashSet, and string leak, we can efficiently manage string references without compromising on safety. Remember, programming is all about finding better solutions and refining our code. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Happy coding!